guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenny. Today is Wednesday, April 28th, 2021, and as you know, we're in the week of the day's kid, yeah, something like that. And we're going to do a fun activity today. So, what we're going to do today is painting with salt. All what do we need? It's salt, paint, a paper sheet, pencil, and glue. So, why don't we get all that stuff? Ready? Go! I get all my stuff, my paintings, my glue, my salt, and a paper sheet and a pencil. The first thing that we're going to do is draw something. For example, I'm going to draw a flower. This doesn't want to paint. Okay, I'm going to do it with this. You do a flower. You can make a car. Anything do you want. So, I have my flower here. And now that you have the silhouette, it will be. The silhouette, you're going to put glue all over that. Just the frame. Just frame like this, all over the frame. Over the frame. So, when you're finished, your draw must look something like this. All the glue. Then you take your salt. Take salt. You can take it with a spoon and start putting them in the drawer. You put a bunch, start spreading it. And with the salt, it should look something like this. With all the salt, let me make it bigger. It should look something like this. Okay. What we do is that we start painting. So we have our draw here, and we start painting the color that we want. We add some drops like this. And there you go. You finished your own painting with salt. Yeah, I know some sounds crazy, but you did it. Here is the proof. And that will be all for today. So thank you for watching the video and see you in a bit. See you later.